All right, so here's a quick hit. Pardon the audio quality, my voice. You know, something's trying to get me, but I'm not gonna let it. So just wanted to show how far I got over the weekend. I did my other video on how I created this on point macro to help me lay out all the points for each of these little mounts. So, you know, just took a few hours on Saturday, was able to knock it out. So you can see where I got all the legs ready. Each leg's got its own little size and everything, but wherever each of those legs go, I was able to get after it, and each of these little segments, I was able to do all that. And then this is what we ended up with. So each of these gets they get a little leg there, and that's the little slot, and you can see where it just lays it out. And so the final product is, you know, this right here. I moved it over to this page. So there it is. So that's the whole raceway in its glory. This is basically top and bottom, but you know, the slots will be on the bottom. So, and then I was able to lay out each of these, you know, I put a little scribe mark, so I'll have A1 and U for the word, and like you can see where Caliente, CALIE. So all this will be laid out. So from today on, I'm already starting to just make our chunks. It's this is easy going. This is clear open road right here. No longer fighting in the mud. So so I'll just get all this laid out, and you're gonna see a production video coming up pretty soon. So all I got left is you can see where the backers here are nude. Nothing on them, so I'm just going to take where each of these little dog bones are, and they're going to slot onto here, but this is already telling me that, so I'll make sure the power holes get on there, and then I just got to lay out the mounting holes for the letters, and then the backers will be ready. So, and then I just need to fuse all these together. These will be ready, and I'm well on my way here. So today I'm just going to start chewing on this, all the raceway parts, so you'll be seeing a production video coming up pretty quick. So anyway, but I just thought I'd give you a little quick hit, show you what's up. So again, pardon the audio quality, but you know, we'll see how I feel. So you guys take it easy, and if you have any questions, hit me up. Check the technique.